So I already have my potatoes boiling. And right now we're going to cook the steak. So I have my ingredients here. I have my steak. I never had this shaved steak before, but we're going to go ahead and try it. I already cut up my onions and peppers. Got a little salt and pepper. Steak seasoning. Onion powder. Garlic powder. So basically just going to cook the steak and the onions and peppers, and then after that we'll just put our bowls together. So we got a little oil in our pan, then it get hot. And this meat is really shaved. Let me let you see. It's real thin. So basically, I guess you can just do it like that, pull it apart. My pan's not quite hot yet, so let me turn up the heat. There we go, starting to sizzle. So just put this over in there. And anytime you handle raw meat, you want to wash your hands. Of course, wash your hands before too. Before you start, which I did. And so what I'm gonna do now is add my peppers and onions. You can add as much as you like or as little as you like. And I'm gonna give that a little more seasoning because whenever you drain your meat, sometimes you drain some of the seasonings. So I'm not gonna put any salt. I'm just gonna put some more onion powder, and garlic powder. And of course a little pepper. I'm just gonna give it a stir. What I'm going to do is turn the temperature down, and I'm going to cover it and let it just simmer to let the peppers and onions cook, and we'll be back. So there's your steak. Your steak is finished, so let's go ahead and assemble our breakfast bowls. Now we're going to assemble our bowls. I went ahead and seasoned my potatoes with the same seasonings I put in the steak. So this is the size of your potatoes. I just cut them up and diced them. Okay, as you see, you have your potatoes. And next we're going to go in with our steak, peppers and onions. Just put a little bit on top. And you see that steak, even though it's been cooling, it's still hot. Just put a little bit over it. Like so. As you see, now you have your potatoes and your steak. And the last ingredient, we have some scrambled eggs. Just put your eggs on top. And there you have it, your breakfast bowl. But you can also put cheese on it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it cool down because I don't want my cheese to melt right now. Because, you know, whenever you pop them in the microwave, you'll warm it up so the cheese will melt then. So there you have it, you guys. The finished product. Sausage and egg breakfast bowl. And then if you didn't want the cheese on it, let me give you a shot of that. Without the cheese.